In this video, we will learn how to fix Google Workspace provisioning error, failed to push profile update. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications, and select the Google Workspace application. Now go to the Provisioning and Integration. Scroll down to Integration and click Edit. Click on Re-authenticate with Google Workspace. This will prompt you to sign in the Workspace admin account. After you sign in, it will ask you if you want to allow Okta to access your Google account and select Allow. This will verify Google Workspace and click Save. Now navigate to Dashboard, then Tasks. Search for the user in Google Workspace and click Filter. Select the profile Push Updates error and click on Google Workspace. Now select the box next to the account, then click Retry Selected and refresh. And that is how to fix Google Workspace provisioning error, failed to push profile update. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.